Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where I will guide you step by step on how to install Shopify Theme Kit on Windows. First, we will install ThemeKit itself. The easiest way to install ThemeKit on Windows is by using the Chocolatey Package Manager. Chocolatey is a tool that allows you to install software from the command line. If you do not have Chocolatey, you will need to install it first. To install Chocolatey, open PowerShell as an administrator. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu, typing PowerShell, right-clicking on Windows PowerShell, and selecting Run as administrator. Once PowerShell is open, you will need to run the following command. Press Enter and wait for the installation to finish. When it is done, you will be able to use the Choco command to install software. Now we can install ThemeKit. In the same PowerShell window, type the following command and press Enter. Choco install ThemeKit, press Y if you are asked for confirmation. Let Chocolatey download and install the tool. This might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. When it is finished, ThemeKit will be available on your system. To confirm the installation, type Theme Version and press Enter. If everything was installed correctly, you will see the version number of ThemeKit displayed on the screen. This means the installation was successful. At this point, ThemeKit is ready to use. You can start using it to connect to your Shopify store and manage your themes. You are now ready to use ThemeKit on Windows.